So right here we have what is probably my favorite jacket and also my winter jacket. So at the moment I don't have a winter jacket because the zipper, as you can see here, is broken. So let's see if we can fix it. I bought a million different zippers, but I had a hard time figuring out the size. Turns out I had the right size, but they were for a different kind of zipper. So what I've done, I've stolen this one from one of my other jackets, which actually is fitting, so not too bad. What happened is, first the stop here fell off. It was right here. Normal kind of stuff for any kind of zipper, I guess. And then this fell off and I couldn't find it again, even though I could have used the original one. This one is just stolen from another jacket I have. Let's see if we can get it on. So, like many of the other things I'm probably gonna do on this channel, you should know that I've never done things like this before, so let's see. I think first what I'm going to do is burn it a little with a lighter, just to get these small kinds of threads. I have tried already a little, but to get all these small threads away, that everything won't get loose. Melt it a little, that we can get a good surface to connect it to, but it looks like it is kind of cracked here. To be honest, I don't really know what to do about that. I think we might have to just cut off a piece, because here's the old one, the old stop. I'm not sure if there would be, in order to attach it, that it will hold. We should get it past this kind of crack here. Cut that off. Just above here. Yeah. If I can with this scissor here. Looks like it's not really sharp enough. Maybe with some pliers like this. That looks much better. Oh, maybe not. Maybe another one, this one. Oh. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay, I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Then I'll burn a little with the light again, just to remove these loose edges here. Squeeze it a little, that we get a... Oh, yeah, I think that's gonna do it. Maybe not. So a little piece hanging out here. So just that it won't loosen up and fall apart. Okay. Good. So let's see. Normally this one was actually going up to the edge of here. I have removed a good chunk, so basically I should remove one or two of these ones. these kind of, what are they called? I don't know. The teeth of the zipper. Let's see if we can get them off. Is it even possible without breaking it? Maybe if I just cut here over like that. Can it come off now? Okay, yeah, one is off. Let's see how it fits with the one. Already you need to remove 3 of them. So let's see. Will it fit now? It might. So, put this aside for a second and have a look what I have gotten. Here we have the old stop thing from the zipper mechanism, and then I've bought all kinds of new ones. Just a mixed bag with different sizes of Amazon. So let's see if we have anything that will fit. This kind of looks the same. Maybe it looks a little too big. Another one looks the same. Maybe this one. Color even seems to be matching quite good. I think this is it. Let's try with that one. And then let's have a look and break it again. So these ones are pretty similar in size and shape, I would say. Except this one is, the old one has a piece cracked off. Oh, let's see how we can get it on. Okay. Oh, it's actually not bad. Maybe I've moved a little too much there, but I think it's good. But first we need to get the zipper on, because afterwards it might be too late. Da-ba-bum-bum-bum. I think that's how we're gonna do it. I did see though on the internet where I bought this whole kit with stops for the zipper that you need to put some glue on of some kind here. Didn't say which kind of glue. So here I have some super glue, I guess, that will do it, at least just to hold the things together and make sure that it's not for tearing apart everything. Let's put it here. Oh, that is definitely enough. So let's see, on with it, like this, yes, and then this should get squeezed together. Gonna turn it. to do this the easiest way, where it is actually staying on. Guess first I'm just gonna do it in here. Let's see. Like that. Doesn't feel like it is moving. And also in the back here, I'm gonna give it a squeeze if I can. So this one might do it. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. And squeeze. I feel like I can squeeze this one a little more together. I think that's it. Got a little scratch there, but should be fine. Let's see, will it work? Maybe it will not work. Oh, yes, no. Doesn't seem like it is working. So what is the problem? Good. So I think what I have to do is to take this part off and replace that as well. Maybe they don't fit exactly together how they should, or maybe the teeth don't align good enough. Don't know. I'll start by taking it off and then we'll see. Good, so they got it off. Here it is. And then I'm just gonna start right away with removing 2 of these teeth to make sure that it's the same on both sides, that it will be straight when I'm done here. Good. The next one. Good. 2 of these teeth are gone. Not these ones. Could be this one. I mean, color is not exactly there, but it's the same color as this one though. Okay. Can we even get it on? So doesn't seem like I can really get all the way in there, because of too much material here. Let's see if we burn it a little away. Maybe we can make it a little slimmer. Might help, might make it worse. It's sort of coming on. Like this maybe. So it's a whole little better that we can pull it in here. This is helping. Perfect. Then we also know where to cut off. Like on the other side, we will just cut it off here. It will be around here. I mean, of course, the alternative to this whole thing here would be to replace the whole zipper with everything, but I don't know. I'm not a sewing kind of person, so, and it looks like a lot of work, so I rather try to do it without. Start by getting this one on like this. What? Maybe it's possible to try it while it is loose on like this. Okay, so that's working. So this is where it's gonna be. Good. Start by putting some glue on again. You know what? First I'm just gonna clean all these small things away again. So there we have it. Away with that. Good. So what I'm going to do here, I think, first I'll put some glue on. Just, yeah, I'm guessing it won't damage. It won't harm anything to have it on. And then before I squeeze it, I will put it in and close the zipper. Then I will squeeze one edge, one side, and then the rest after. But just to make sure that it's not sliding away. Good. That was maybe a little too much glue, but let's see what happens. Good. I think I will move the excess glue just with my gloves here. Yeah, and then, like I said, I'll try to put it in here. Close it. Yes, like this. Then I will try to squeeze just the back side for now with my big pliers, I think. Like that. Just to make sure that it's not going anywhere. So I don't think I'll be, this one I can forget about getting in. Good. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Good. I'll give it a few more squeezes. I mean, rather a little too much than a little too less, right? Goody. So, I think it's on there pretty solid. Let's see if it works. Ah, works pretty good. Nice. So, job well done. Then I'm not going to freeze anymore for now, at least. Let's see how long it will last. Good. Thank you for watching. And if you like what you saw, if you have learned something, I don't know, subscribe if you want to. If not, then see you probably not another time, but yeah. Have a good one. Bye bye.